So tonight I'm going to show you the little Christmas Hershey Nugget Wrapper sheets with the trays that they go with. So you get these two printables, and those can be found at the Fun Party Printables Company on Etsy. It's an Etsy shop. So basically all you need to do is you need to get yourself a scissors, and I'm going to simply cut these out. The supplies I'm going to be using are a basic scissors, some Scotch tape, the printables themselves. I have some little bags that are the pretzel bags that you can buy either at a candy making place or even Walmart has them. And so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the little Santa nuggets. And I'm just using my basic scissors to cut on the lines that are there for you. Just like so. Okay. I'm going to get this one just a little closer. There we go. All right, so then I have some regular Hershey Nugget chocolates. And I'm just going to grab 3 of these right away. And I'm going to grab my Scotch tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap my Hershey Nugget, just like so. These fit right over the top. And I'm just going to wrap it so that it's nice and tight. I'm going to secure it with a piece of Scotch tape on the back, just like so. So I'm going to turn this one a little closer too. There we go. And again, I'm going to line up my Santa right on the top. Tighten it, secure it with a little piece of Scotch tape. And my last one. Just get it nice and tight around there. There we go. All right, so there I have my Santa, and I'm just gonna kind of drive you a little crazy knowing that's just not quite straight. There we go. I'm just going to make it nice and straight. There we go. Much better. All right, then we line that up just like so. Now, I am going to choose one of my trays, and I think I'm going to cut out, let's see, I'm going to do the green one, I think. So again, I'm taking my scissors and I'm just going to cut around that tray. Okay. Now I'm going to use a straight edge. And I'm just going to take it, I'm going to run the edge of my scissors. I'm going to just score it. Oops, let's go this way. Like that. And I'm going to line it up here like that. Okay. And I score it because I want to be able to get a really nice fold. You don't necessarily have to do the scoring, but it just kind of helps. All right, so I'm going to line these up. And I'm going to put him right in the middle. And And then I'm going to take a little bit of Scotch tape. I'm going to make myself a little, you could use double stick tape for this as well. And I'm just going to put a little piece of tape with a little tape circle on the back there. And I'm just going to tape it into the tray. Like so. Now, the tray's a little bit longer, so if you want to spread them out a little bit, you can. I have mine nice and close together, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my scissors and I'm just going to trim it so that it is just right at the end, okay? And then what we do is we take one of these little bags and I'm going to slide him right in there. I tape the candies in place so that they don't slide around, okay? And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take a piece, I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use just a little piece of this red ribbon. And it's just the curling ribbon that you can find in the wrapping paper area of a store. And you could just tie a little bow, you can tie a little knot and curl it, whatever you want to do. And that, and that, and there you go. You have this super cute little stocking stuffer, perfect for a little Secret Santa gift, a little something to put in somebody's mail box at work or share with a neighbor. And these come with the gingerbread, the reindeer, the little penguin, and the Santa.